The peace of God be with you all. Ang kapayapaan ng Diyos ay sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay si Levi Laguardia, kaibigan at kaklase ni Pastor Daki and Thelma Quezon. My wife, Terry, and I would like to extend our Christian greetings to Thelma and her family, children, grandchildren, relatives, and loved ones. And to you all, sa lahat na nakadalo in this celebration of remembrance, honoring the memory and legacy of Pastor Dakila Quezon, who by the grace of God had gone to be with the Lord a year ago. Kami ay nakikiisa sa inyong lahat sa pagpupuri at pasasalamat sa Diyos sa magandang buhay na kaloob kay Pastor Daki. Thelma asked me to share a video recording on behalf of Union Theological Seminary Class 1980. How I remember Daki as a seminary classmate, as a pastor friend, and as a servant of God. I am honored to be asked. At nais kong sabihin sa inyong lahat na si Daki at Thelma ay may espesyal na lugar sa puso ng bawat kaklase namin sa seminaryo. We journeyed together in seminary through all the struggles and challenges in fulfilling our theological education sa panahon ng martial law. Ako at si Daki, kapwa Bicolano, pero nagkakilala lamang kami sa seminaryo. I am a United Methodist, and Daki was one of the first UNIDA pastors I met at UTS. We were in the same program, Bachelor of Divinity, while Thelma pursued sacred music. Daki and the rest of our class shared a common understanding of Christ's ministry that led us to develop and practice theology, not only inside the seminary classrooms in churches, but on the streets, in slum areas, in the field, kasama ang mga magsasaka, mga manggagawa at mga mangingisda, the marginalized and indigenous people, the poor and the oppressed. We marched on the street and participated in movements for peace, for justice, and shalom for all people, as our Lord Jesus Christ has shown us. Si Pastor Daki ay isa sa mga naniwala at nanindigan sa kapangyarihan ng Ebanghelyo upang magligtas at magpalaya ng mga tao, magbago ng buhay at komunidad, at magbigay ng bago at saganang buhay kay Kristo. Daki was not only a dear pastor and shepherd of God's people. Mahal na mahal niya si Thelma, ang kanyang butihing asawa, na siya rin ang kanyang tapat na partner kabiyak sa ministeryo. And they call each other mahal, which of course means love. And they were the most loving couple in our class. Ang matamis na pagmamahalan ni Daki at Thelma ay naging inspirasyon ng aming klase. Sila ay aming matalik at tapat na mga kaibigan. But most especially, Daki left us a wonderful legacy, reminding us that Christ's ministry is partnership of all believers. We are not alone. Christ our Lord called us to be partners in His ministry to our neighborhood, to our community, to our nation, to all the world, and with all people no matter who they are. I remember Daki as a faithful servant of God who truly loved the Lord, who worked for justice for all, who loved kindness, and who walked humbly with God to the end of his life. Salamat sa Diyos sa buhay at ministeryo ni Pastor Daki. Naway ang kanyang pananampalataya at paglilingkod ay magsilbing halimbawa at inspirasyon sa bawat isa sa atin. Salamat sa inyong lahat at purihin ang Panginoon.